How's it going out there? Welcome from H2TechVideos. Today I want to show you some hidden features that are built into the Kindle Fire. Things that if you didn't know they were there, you may not even know to look for them. So hopefully this will help you just to better enjoy your tablet. So the first thing I want to show you is um, on the Kindle Fire, there's a way you can turn on keyboard sounds so that when you type, it'll actually make noises. And I actually like this because um, when you're hitting the keys, if you're like me, you don't always look at the keyboard when you do that. It just helps you make sure or be more assured that you hit the right button or that you hit a key when sometimes you may have tapped the screen, but maybe you didn't hit a letter. So the way we turn this on, we want to come up here to the top to the quick settings, and we want to tap the wheel, and then we want to go here to more, and we want to come down to Kindle keyboard. We're going to tap there, and the first option says sound on key press. Okay, and you see I have it turned on. Okay, so orange is for on. Okay, funny how that works. And so what's cool about that is now when you hit the keys on the keyboard to type, it will make noises just like that. Okay, so that's the first hidden feature I wanted to show you. Second feature I'd like to show you is when you're in the web. Let's go to the web right here. You may have already known this, but if you didn't, you can actually have multiple tabs up at one time. Okay, for instance, when you first go to the web, you see pretty much the screen looks like this. Okay, so let's say we type in web. Let's say we go to one of our shortcuts. So I have my H2TechVideos website up right now, and let's say I want to keep this site open, but I want to open another site. Uh-oh. So I want to keep this tab open and I want to start a new tab. Well, all you have to do is in the upper right corner there's a little plus sign. If we tap on that, it will give you the option to open a new tab. And now I can click on, I can go to my Twitter, I can open another tab, and now I can go to Yahoo, and I can go open another tab. So you can have multiple tabs open and then you can actually slide left and right. So here's this first tab, and then I can slide across. And you can do this with your finger. You don't have to use the stylus. We can just drag it left and right to go between our tabs. But this just makes it convenient if you want to look at multiple websites at one time. You can do that. Okay. So that's the second hidden feature. The third one is I want to show you how to check your battery percentage. If you look in the upper right corner, you do see the battery indicator, and as you can see, mine is red, which means my battery is low. But let's say you want to know exactly what percentage of battery life you have left, so you kind of know how to use it accordingly. Let's tap on the quick settings at the upper right, the little wheel right here, and then click on more. You want to go to where it says devices or device right here, and it'll actually show you I have 15% left of battery life. It'll also show you storage, so you can see how much storage you have left. Remember, on the Kindle you only get 6 gigs of storage, and so this will actually show you how much you've used up and how much you have left, so you can add a few more pictures, videos, books, whatever. This is how you gauge to see how much you have left. Now, another hidden feature is you can update your Kindle Fire wirelessly. You don't have to plug it into a computer. And this is actually where you would do the update. You would do it here. See where it says system version, and update your Kindle is not highlighted, but this is somewhere where you could tap if there is a new update that's available. Okay. So that was the third thing I wanted to show you. There's two more things I want to show you. One of them in which is how to lock your orientation. You're like, whoa, orientation, what does that mean? Well, let me show you. So right now, my orientation isn't locked. So if I turn the Kindle sideways, guess what? It's going to switch. If I turn it this way, it's going to switch back and forth. Let's say you want to set it so that the Kindle will stay long ways like this. Okay? Come to the upper right corner, click on that little wheel, quick settings, and you want to tap on unlock. And now it changes to lock. Okay? And so guess what? When I turn it this way, it doesn't change. It still will stay long ways. Okay? So this works in both landscape and portrait. So if I click lock and now it says unlock, I can go back to long ways, and now I want to lock it this way. Okay, so I'm going to click on unlock, and now it says lock. And so now guess what? The orientation is not changing. It's locked for long ways. Okay, so that was the fourth thing. And the last thing I wanted to show you is how to set your screen so that it'll stay on longer or not as long. Because out of the box, it's set for 5 minutes. So usually your Kindle will sit on for 5 minutes before the screen will actually turn itself off. There's a way to adjust that depending on, you know, how often you use it. And, you know, just to help you save battery life, you may want to set it to a shorter time. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go to quick settings, which is up in the upper right corner. Click on more, and we want to come down to display right here, and see here it says screen timeout. If we tap on this, we can go anywhere from 30 seconds, so that pretty much if it's sat for more than 30 seconds, it'll turn off that quick. Or we can say, hey, never, I don't want this to ever turn off, I want it to stay on. Or anywhere in between. Okay, so depending on how you're going to be using it, you can set this accordingly. This will definitely help to, again, save battery life. So if you click on a lower amount, like 1 minute or 5 minutes or even 30 seconds, it'll always go into a sleep mode so that the battery will last a little bit longer. Okay, so those are the 5 hidden features that I wanted to show you today. Hope that was helpful. Please leave a comment. Let me know how you like the video or what you thought of it, and keep watching H2 Tech videos. Have a good one.